friends, good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. So here I got a loser unboxing and I bought it. I think, I do not know. I have not yet seen it. I think I will be happy. I think I will be happy. And this is a cookie ring. And there are, I have searched online and there are many sorry for the noise. There are many cookie rings and much less expensive. And I found other cookie rings, but I was thinking maybe I will I will spend some money and buy something just makes me happy and some better quality. So I bought this one. I do not know how the quality is just yet. Oh my, this looks so decent quality. Oh, wow, this is so good. And it's a complete piece without bonding. Oh my, this is so good. I think I will buy 10 of them. Oh, this is exactly, this is not exactly, this is better than what I have thought about. I am so absolutely happy with it. Oh, I am so happy with it. Surprisingly happy with it. This is so good. This is so good. Have you seen anything as good as this one? Oh, this is a bonding part, but they have done a very, very outstanding job. Oh my. And this one, yes, here is it. It is. This is a fantastic. The cooking ring. I will make galette bouton, sablé bouton. Yeah, I love it. That's it. I am so, so, so very happy. So, so, so very happy. Oh my, this is fantastic, fantastic. So good, so good. I am so happy. I am so happy. Wow. So happy. I am so happy. Oh my. I am so happy. Wow.